It's my 89 YJ Wrangler, Chevy 350, motor's bored 30 over. It's got a thumper cam from ProComp, 465 lift, 300 duration, forged Speed Pro racing pistons, and 882 heads from a 68 Corvette. I got a custom radiator for V8 to YJ applications, custom electrical fans, Black Magic I believe that makes it, S-Series, 4000 CFM, belt drive off of a 97 Suburban, serpentine, using a return style fuel system, not the returnless. I had problems with the returnless. My fuel pump kept overheating, probably because of the weather in Florida. So gone return style and haven't had an issue yet. There's the computer. Looks just like a carburetor, so gives it that old-fashioned look. YJ exhaust to V8 manifolds, so fit real good in your engine bay. PAs for music, 2 of them. Using an AX15 5-speed transmission to an MP231T case. Straight pipes right out the back. Ford 8.8 limited slip diff, 410 gear ratio. Disc brakes, front and rear. Got the Posi-Lock cable for the 4-wheel drive. It's not vacuum anymore. That was very unreliable, and upgraded to the cable. I'll turn it on for you so you can hear what it sounds like. That switches from my fans. I got a straight wire to a fuse to a switch. I don't like that relay stuff. I can set the RPM idle to any RPM I want. I set it for 850. It's got a rev limiter on the engine, 4500. You can set it for whatever you want. I always like 4500 though. Best thing about the MSD Atomic compared to the other fuel injection systems out there is that it's boost. You can, I think it accepts up to anything up to 15 pounds of boost, and NOS. I don't have NOS hooked up. I don't have NOS at all actually, so I don't have to worry about it. But if you have NOS, it's a purple wire. You can hook it up. That was pretty cool. I was going to go with the Fast Easy EFI, and I was looking at the Holley Terminator, but it doesn't have those options, so that's why I went with the MSD Atomic EFI. I started the engine up hot, so it's at 50 psi for oil pressure. On a cold start, it's at 60. When I'm driving it, it's at 30. got this thing dynoed. I was making 377 horsepower and 396 foot-pounds torque. Getting 16.3 miles to the gallon city. Before I was getting 8.4 miles per gallon city, so I got like a 6 mile per gallon increase. The MSD Atomic EFI is expensive, but you get what you pay for. You get a better throttle response, a little bit better gas mileage, and more reliable. Turn key, start right up, first try. Especially in cold days. I remember last year it got really cold down here in Florida, and it took like a good 10 minutes to start my carbureted 600 CFM double pumper from Holly. Got the Kumo 33s, mud terrains. This thing does work, as you can tell from all the dirt on my gauges inside the vehicle. Full drive rips. A little too out of control for me. I get a little too sideways and I feel like I'm gonna die. But other than that, though, it runs good. Way better than the 4-cylinder that I had before. This is a waterproof pre-filter I got from Outerwear. I haven't tried it yet. I got it yesterday. Probably sometime this week. Supposed to block all type of debris, mud, water, sand, I suppose. Installing this fuel injection was really easy. It's 8 wires. Took approximately like a few hours, I believe, just for each direction. So pretty simple. It's self-learning, so the more you drive this thing, the more it learns. I've been driving with the fuel injection on for about 2 months, and it's doing real good. I don't know if it's learned all it can, but I believe it's learning all the time. Got all my motor mounts at Novak Conversions, and I got the belt housing adapter plate to my Jeep AX15 transmission from Advanced Adapters. So if you use those websites, those will help you out. And for everything else, I use Summit.